Strong interior room away from windows, center of the basement. If you don't have a basement, go to the first floor if you're in a two-story construction. But again, the basement is the safest place. And a strong interior room, something like a bathroom. Cover yourself with a comforter and hide out in the bathtub until the storm passes. I had an email from someone in the northwest suburbs in McHenry County who asked where that safe place was. They were in a manufactured home, and I suggested they contact the local emergency management people, the fire department, or police department. There has to be a sturdy structure that you know where to go to. Here's what's happening. The jet stream is really going to fuel this system. We have huge contrast in the atmosphere between warm, moist air coming up from the Gulf of Mexico and still cold air to the north. So that gets that jet stream really screaming. And there's a piece of it that'll be right overhead as we get into the day tomorrow. Now, this is a lead wave. This is not the main event. Timeline, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning. There's a bit of a lull during the morning rush hour. Don't be deceived. Storm Prediction Center has kicked us up a notch. We're now in the enhanced risk, the moderate risk to the west, all hazards once again, and tornadoes that could be rain-wrapped. We have something that we call rotation tracker, and what it's looking at is the difference in direction winds are to get some spinning going, and then you get the vertical development of a thunderstorm with that piece of the jet stream overhead causing air to be pulled out into the stratosphere. So what's happening? We're going to see that fast-moving little jet stream come over us just as these storms start to evolve in the evening hours. Now, that rotation can be predicted by the computer models, and that's what we call rotation tracker. If you look in here, you can discern some lines here with these strong thunderstorms, and these are going to be tall supercells. That's what the model guidance is predicting. We roll through 7 o'clock in the evening. Look at how long these stretches are of rotation tracker. Now let's move another hour. Let's get to 8 o'clock in the evening. We're getting into a more populated area. This is what the concern was with the viewer in McHenry County. Look at this streak being predicted here across McHenry County. Now, this is model guidance. This stuff could change. And we're not putting this on television to scare you. We want to make you think about safety and be safe. So be prepared. If this model guidance holds true, there's the potential we could see some long-lived, perhaps, tornadoes across our viewing area as we get into the evening hours tomorrow. So be prepared. We'll update this forecast tonight at 10 o'clock and give you the latest information. This whole line is going to progress rather quickly. Some of these storms could move it up to 70 miles per hour. On the back end of this, it's a wind threat. Once the thunder